Hello everyone. In my previous video, we had discussed the 72,000 nadis or subtle energy channels of a human body. We also came to know that among the 72,000 energy channels, the three most vital channels are the Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi and the Sushumna Nadi. These energy channels merge or intersect at various places in our body, and these locations are called the chakras or the spinning wheel. There are 7 major chakras or the junction points where the Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi and Sushumna Nadi meet, and they are aligned on the base of the spine to the crown of the head. The main function of these chakras is to regulate the flow of energy or prana. Chakra act like a flywheel in body machinery. A flywheel is used in machines that serve as a reservoir which stores energy during the period when the supply of energy is more than the requirement and releases it during the period when the requirement of energy is more than the supply. The 7 prominent chakras are Mooladhara chakra or root chakra at the base of the spine, Swadhisthana chakra in the lower abdomen, 4 finger breadths below the navel, the Manipura chakra at the navel, Anahata chakra near the heart, Vishuddhi chakra at the throat region, Agna chakra between eyebrows, and Sahasrara at the crown of the head. Each of these chakra is associated with a color and an endocrine gland that has to secrete hormones in the right proportion. Since we are dealing with the external world, there are possibilities for these chakras to get blocked or could be overstimulated. When the chakras are blocked, there could be a corresponding effect of their respective endocrine glands or organs associated, and also there could be some disturbance in our emotional state. The chakras can be healed by various yogic practices. In the next chapter, we will discuss in detail each of the 7 chakras and the method to keep them functioning properly. Till then, bye.